Well, hello and welcome. Looked like a beautiful day to go for a walk in the woods. Then I get out of the car after driving here and there's a really cold wind. So sun's trying to come out, but it's pretty cloudy. But we had such a nice rain late afternoon and last night. So very fresh. I thought, oh, that's nice and fresh. Get out. I guess once I start walking, maybe I'll warm up. So just a walk through the woods today. Just something nice to do, something relaxing, hopefully. Woo! The thing about walking through the Bosque in the winter, which I've done a couple times, I think, at least 2 or 3 times, is you really appreciate it when spring comes. So you walk around then, enjoy the new leaves. Then you got summer, a little hot, but then fall. My favorite time in the Bosque, all the beautiful colored yellow leaves. Always something to look forward to. You can see the low clouds above the mountains there. Whew, typical winter day, which is kind of hard to take when it's been like spring for a couple weeks. The closer it gets to spring, the more of the winter comes in. Isn't that the way it goes? Really hard to see, but there is a black birdhouse or something up in that tree. Must be for a special species or something. Well, one good thing, there's not going to be a lot of people walking through today. Have the whole place by myself because it is downright cold, and it might rain on me too. In fact, I can already feel the moisture and I can hear the drops hitting the trees, the leaves. Only hear one bird chirping. I don't know what it is, but it's the only sound I hear other than the wind blowing. It always amazes me that these leaves on these cottonwoods stay on the tree. You'd think they'd all fall down. Most of them have, 99% of them, but some just kind of stick there. And it's just amazing because we've had rain, we've had freezing. I had a lot of freezing nights and mornings. And we've had snowfall. And those leaves are just holding on. idea where I'm going. I do notice a couple bicycle tracks have come this way too. So maybe I'm on the right track. I don't know. I get lost all the time. Sometimes worse than others. But I always seem to make my way out. Problem is, when I get lost, I use up a lot more energy. I'm dead, tired, and aching by the time I find my way out. Horses have been through here for sure. Be a beautiful horse ride through here. Those are debris catchers. Supposedly, when it floods, catches a lot of stuff. I am getting tired, but I'm going this way. This looks like more of a regular trail. Hopefully it takes me back to where I want to go, back home.
Thank you.
I don't think we're going to see the river today. Maybe, I don't know, because I took more of a middle trail through the Bosque. I can't tell you how many times, and I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this, but so many times I have these plans and I want to go here, I want to go there. Oh, I've been there, let's do something new. No, I want to do something more familiar. And it's kind of like today. Been through the Bosque many times, and I'm sure I'll do a lot more videos because there's always new paths, there's always new vibes. Sometimes I catch animals, wildlife. One time I caught a bunch in one day. Saw my first bald eagle, saw 2 or 3 coyotes, a seagull, believe it or not. I've seen one seagull in my life, and it was that day. Someone had told me they're around here, and I said, no, they're not. There's no seagulls here. And I saw one. I got a video of it, but it was so far back, I don't know. But, and some other things too, I think, but I can't remember. But I'll be sitting there getting ready to go, and I go, I just don't feel like going. I'm too tired, I'm too old. I got all these health problems. But something pushes me. I tend to get going anyways. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm afraid I'll be bored. Maybe I'm afraid that I won't get a video out that day. I don't know, could be anything. Could be all these things. Maybe it's because I don't want to sit there and think, because vlogging and filming helps me kind of straighten things out in my mind. Usually, not always. Well, I gotta take a stop up here and have a drink of Wawa. Uh-oh. Fork in the road. Fork in the trails. Ah, good stuff. Whenever you come to a fork in the trail, in the road, take the right one. You thought I was going to do the old Yogi Berra. No, I just made mine up. Take the right one. Not the wrong one. The one on the right. I always do the same thing. I always walk so far that I'm forgetting. I guess I'm so interested in what's ahead that I forget how far I go, and I forget, oh, I gotta go back. So you eventually turn around and you're going, man, did I walk that far? Whew, what a dummy. That's all right. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. That wind is kicking you up. Oh my gosh. I hope I didn't pass my point where I started. That'd be a disaster. It's just so hard to see when you're in here. You can get lost pretty easy. Oh, here's a little offshoot. Looks like it might go to the river. Yeah, I can see it. We are going to get a glimpse of the old river. Looks like it's flowing pretty good. A lot of people have taken this way. It's so trampled down. Oh gosh. Oh, I just hope I don't sink. All this moisture. There we go. All right. Didn't think we'd see it today, but there she is. Try not to fall in. I love the glistening off the water there. It's hard to see through the reeds there, but that's that way. On the trail again. Just can't wait to get on the trail again. It really seems like I've walked further this way than I did coming up here, but I don't know. I'm just looking for a sign. A little light at the end of the tunnel. One cool thing about this hike is using my new camera for the first time. So I am anxious and hoping and knowing that it's going to be a quality look. She just came up in front of me and did a U-turn. Just wants to jog in a certain area, I guess. Woohoo! I do see some light at the end of the tunnel, end of the trail. A building. That means I'm getting closer to civilization. Woo! That wind right in the face. I did warm up other than my face and my ears. My hands. Downright hot, but hot and cold at the same time. Yeah, it looks like I missed some of the joggers. Well, that was a heck of a walk, a heck of a hike. And I actually found my way back full circle. Whew, I am beat. My lower back is just killing me. And I don't know. I keep wanting to go to the doctor, but then I don't want to go to the doctor. And just back and forth. I don't know, at my age, you think I wouldn't be too afraid of going to the doctor. I've been so many times. But I'm glad I got out, even though it's very Very windy, very cold. I'm still glad I got out. Got a warm car to go to, a warm house, have some coffee or some tea, and it's going to be a good day off. Until next time, bye for now. Really appreciate you. Take care.